Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You will need fresh mint leaves, about 10 to 12 of them, white rum, a fresh lime, simple syrup, and club soda. Also, make sure you have a sturdy muddler and a tall glass ready to go. These are the foundational elements for a truly refreshing drink. Now let's get to the heart of the flavor. Place your 10 to 12 mint leaves and 2 lime wedges into your glass. Gently muddle them together. Remember, the aim is to release those aromatic oils from the mint, not to tear the leaves apart. Then, pour in 1 ounce of simple syrup. This step really sets the stage for a vibrant taste. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the rum. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass with the muddled mint and lime. After that, fill your glass completely to the brim with crushed ice. This ensures your mojito will be perfectly chilled. Give everything a good stir to thoroughly combine all those wonderful flavors. Finally, for the perfect finish, top off your mojito with about 4 ounces of crisp club soda. This adds a lovely effervescence. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your drink with a fresh sprig of mint and a vibrant lime wheel. Serve your perfectly crafted, easy mojito immediately and savor every refreshing sip. Cheers to your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.